The top of the line retractable bed cover out right now is the RetraxPRO XR. It's a lockable, easy to use cover that gives you instant access to your bed. The Retrax XR has a special system on the side, so you can put rack accessories on top. You can stop this cover at any point you want, so it gives you instant access to your bed. This one glides on steel ball bearings and it supports 500 pounds of weight on top. So when you lock the cover and it's secure. This has a 500 pound weight limit. It's in stock for all trucks. If you're looking to get a RetraxPRO XR, visit our website. You're gonna find more information on it. You're gonna like how it looks and you're gonna like how it works. So we also installed a Bedrug Liner, which is very comfortable. So when you slide that cover back, we have a bed extender here as well. You can drive down the road with that bed extender snapped into place. You can take this thing out really quick if you need to. It's lightweight. So the bed extender is a great accessory to add. You're gonna organize your stuff more. Visit truckaccessplus.com to find the best accessories for your new Ford Raptor.